Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we give quick tips as parents of 3 to help with everyday life. Guys, this video is all about knowing when a light bulb is out on your car, and that is either the front blinker bulb is out or the back blinker bulb is out, and which side. And the way you can tell that quick and easy is whenever your blinker, whenever you turn it on, starts blinking faster and different than it normally does. Here's a quick example. The right side is slow and steady. When I'm turning left, it's fast. When your blinker does that, it means that a bulb has burnt out, and it's either the front bulb or the back bulb that is burnt out. And how do you tell? You turn on your blinker, get out of the car, go take a look, and just see which one is not working. So let's take a look. That one's actually working. And that one's working. Now we need to figure out if there's something different from the other side of the truck and which one might be working or not. Aha, I found it. You see how this side is working and both of those lights are lighting up and blinking, and they're blinking steady and correct. The bottom bulb on the other side was not lighting up. So let's take a look at that. And so that's the reason why my blinker is blinking really fast and telling me that I have one out. As you'll see here, top one's blinking, bottom one is not. Therefore, that's the bulb that I need to replace. And I'll just open the tailgate and unscrew some screws, get to that bulb and replace it. So let's see. All right, I'm just gonna open up the tailgate and take a look. All right, you see there are 2 screws. These are the screws that you're gonna have to unscrew, and this whole side piece will actually pull out and pop out. Then you'll be able to get to the light bulb right here to replace it. So let's get something to take these off. That's 1 screw. Two screws. Now it's just gonna pull out. All right, just pull it out. All right. Now you see it has 2 light bulb sockets, and they actually turn and clip in. So it turns just a little bit. And it pulls out. There it goes. Looks like it's burnt. So we'll take a look, see if I have one. So not much to it. Let's try to take a look and see if I have a bulb. And if I do, that's great. If not, then I'll take a quick trip up to the auto parts store and get a light bulb and get one that matches. And just insert it back into that little boot, that socket, put that socket back on and screw it back in. So it doesn't take a whole lot to change a light bulb and to get that blinker working correctly again. All right, now that I pulled the light bulb out, and again, I know it's the 3157, I went to the auto parts store and I found the bulb that matches 3157. So all I have to do is just put it in, take it out and insert it, turn that light bulb socket back in. Once it's in, it'll click in, and then screw everything back together. So let's just take a look. Once it's in, give it a quick turn back, and now it's seated. And push her back in, and then screw it back on. There you go. Blinking normal again. That's awesome. It's back on track, ready to go. Now it's time to hit the road. It doesn't take a whole lot to change a light bulb and to get that blinker working correctly again, but that's kind of unique for all cars, all vehicles, to be able to show you that there is a light bulb out whenever it starts blinking really fast. It's a quick indicator to go change a bulb. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and the videos that I create on the Family of 5 Quick Tips are all about doing it the dad way. I am here to be able to help you guys out. I am doing things for fixes on our vehicles, fixes in the house, taking care of the things that I can take care of, building things, just kind of being this dad role in the Family of 5 Quick Tips. And I just hope that I can help you guys out as far as what I do, how I did it, and the process that I did to be able to complete the task. Hope you guys really like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the Family of 5 Quick Tips, click subscribe. And remember, be happy, have fun, and enjoy the season of life you're in. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.